Hey, this is a video for Sleeping Bear. It looks like you may have got your motors or ESC issue taken care of, resolved. But if not, there's something that I did with my 220 with the motors, and I'm sure that they're going to be kind of similar. But when you take it apart, there's like these little stator or whatever they are, little coil things all the way around, and sometimes they'll come from the factory and they'll be like pushed up or warped, or like you just kind of out of place. And if you look and follow them, like maybe there might be a couple that are like boomed up or down or too far out, and you can actually use your fingers to kind of eyeball it and push them a little bit into place. And that's how I got my motors again. This one's burnt, but I was just using it as an example. And yes, saved my motor that one time. But I guess that's that. I'm spending like the next day or two or three digging like some trenches for leach lines for the septic. So that's fun and tiring, and I wish I can go fly, but I gotta scoop the poo. So everybody have a good day.